Girls Hostel Room Tour at Aiims Mangalagiri. This is the most awaited video as many of you have asked about it. In 2019 when I got admission in Aiims Mangalagiri, the girls and the boys were sharing the same hostel, that is the girls hostel, as the boys hostel was not built. So the pics in this video belongs to the girls hostel only. Hi guys, my name is Shubham and I am a second year MBBS student at Aiims Mangalagiri. So without wasting time, let's get started. As you can see, this is the front view of the girls hostel. This is how it looks in the night. This is the backside view of the girls hostel. This is the entry of the girls hostel room. Girls are allotted double rooms in first year, but single rooms are allotted in second year. In this photo you can see a bed, a mattress of good quality, a chair and a side table. Here you can see a study table with 3 lockers. An almirah which is very big in size. Almirah looks like this from inside. See, it has huge capacity. You get 2 curtains also for the window. All these things are provided by the college only. This pillow is not provided by the college, so we have to buy it. We can utilize our side table like this by putting charger, glass, water bottle, diaries. We have got 3 lockers in the study table with a key where we can put our important items. We can decorate our walls like this by pasting paintings, posters or anything. We can paste our photos also. I put some food items in the third locker. These food items are in the almirah. This was the view from my window. And these were the books for the first year. This is the bathroom of 1 floor. This is the lift. Guys, it takes a lot of hard work and time to create a single video, so please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.